Today is the date scheduled for a jail review, and you were set to, you were supposed to have a jail review November 28th, and you failed to appear for that. And so today's the date scheduled for that jail review.
Okay, yes, I spoke to Natalie, and she did address me with the email, and she made me she raised awareness of exactly what you're saying. I going through a bit of some hardship financially, and my phone service was interrupted from the network that I subscribed to. So I lost communication for some time, and I still don't have a phone number, but I reached out via email, and that's when she reached out to me as well, and brought awareness to it. I don't mean to not follow the court order or be disrespectful to your order, Your Honor. I just trying to do everything set forth in a timely fashion, and I just manifest hardship right now, and it's being progressive. I just recently gained gainful employment because that's what was going on. Is I was going to different employments that wasn't gainful, and
yeah, Mr. Quintanilla, I'm sorry, Mr. Quintanilla, I'm going to have you stop right there. This court has been extremely patient with you. Extremely patient with you. And there's always a financial struggle for you. And then you're still driving. You don't even have a valid license and you're still driving.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your last payment on your fines and costs has been September of 2022. That's been 15 months. 15 months. You have not cleared up your warrants. And then you're still driving without having a valid license.
That's so
whoever's talking in the back, sir, who's ever talking in the background needs to stop. They're not identified for the record, and they're not your attorney of record. So they need to stop talking in the background.
Okay. So sorry about that. My apologies, Your Honor. You're absolutely correct though. That's how hard it's been. Edward Francis Martel, actually, quite expensive guy, and a lot of funds went towards that. And also, just in my struggle, and just on 11th of December, I don't know what day it was last week, I just completed 1 year of sobriety, and just recovering and trying to get my psychic in order. My mental disparities was untreated, and just the whole struggle of the controlled substance that was really taking control. And thank you for giving me hope and not handcuffs. That really, honestly, that's what the difference right there, and it all makes a difference right now of what's currently going on and how I'm not delayed in payment and not really making payments. But now, again, now that I'm gainfully employed, I recently just earned $1,300 the last couple of weeks. So I can make a payment today of at least $100. And with the next 2 coming weeks, when I get paid again, it could be a higher amount of $400. And I just want to knock it out as soon as possible. Honestly, Your Honor, everything's expensive these days, and my health was the main priority, and that was a very serious thing. And thank you again for giving me hope and not handcuffs. And just the whole program, honestly, has been quite experienced, and I learned a lot. And thank you for that, Your Honor. I do want to follow what's set forth by Your Honor.
Sir, how have you been supporting yourself for the last 15 months?
So I actually lived with my mother and father. As soon as I caught the case and was charged with what I was charged with, I sought out my cousin, who's a DEA agent, who referred me to Edward, and I spent most of my funds to fund his services to defend me. And right away, immediately, I sought out my father's, and that's who I reside with right now currently. So, he's been a bit of a help, but since then I lost my job, which really impacted
Okay,
me,
sir,
honestly.
sir, I understand. You lost your job quite a while ago. How have you
Yeah.
been supporting yourself?
My family, my father, again. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to give you the wrong interpretation. My family, my father, he's actually been helping me out a lot. And so, also just with transportation is my biggest issue. Not having a license and paying a lot for transportation, Lyft, relying on, if it's not my father, a friend, a family, and that honestly, it's been a struggle. With transportation is expensive and it racks up a bill really fast. Inflation right now currently, I'm not the only American struggling. This right here currently has made it that much more harder. And that's why I've been surviving with my family. Thank God, that they
Hold on, where are you, sir, where are you currently situated? Where are you at right now? Because it looks as though you're in a hotel.
Yep. I right now my mother and father they're on vacation, and so my father put me in this hotel right now because he just want me at his home by himself. I just I respect that. He just wants to be there. Well, he wants to be there.
Sir, Mr. Quintanilla, listen, you're giving me a whole lot of fluff. I'm just asking for basic answers.
Yes.
What city are you currently located in? Okay, and whose birthday was it?
My birthday was on Saturday, so it's my birthday.
So were you there for a birthday party?
Just gonna go Grinch.
No. Actually, I had a friend come over and they gave me this as a gift and a gift as well. I actually work in the area of Farmington Hills, and so I didn't party. I actually worked all day on my birthday. I worked double, so I worked from 10 a.m. to.
If you test, sir, if you test today, what's in your system?
Again, as I stated, I just completed 1 year of sobriety on December 11th. Nothing's in my system, Your Honor. It's actually been a struggle for a while before I violated twice, and thank you again. It's been quite an experience. I've really successful in completing in my sobriety. I take it very serious.
Well, sir, congratulations on your sobriety. I know that was a huge accomplishment for you.
Yes.
And happy birthday. But sir, your last review was September 19th, and you've completed your outpatient counseling, you've completed your chemical awareness, and you've passed all tests. You completed 5 of your 9 workforce days. You've been on probation now for not quite 12 months. And this court sentenced you to 12 months probation. So what I'm going to do, sir, is I'm going to extend your probation 6 months. Today, you said you have a payment to make today, correct?
Yeah. It's honestly, that was again my health and my psyche and the struggle with trying to acknowledge the whole fact that I was going to have a struggle, and I'm really glad and happy that you guys had that program, and awarding me the restitution so that way I'll learn a better lesson.
Mr. Quintanilla.
Yes.
You have $100 to pay today, correct?
Yes. I just what I'm trying to say, Your Honor, is 6 months. What am I going to be court ordered to do more workforce, or what's involved in 6 months of the probation period?
I'm not understanding what you're saying, sir.
What's involved in the 6 more months of the probation period? Am I going to be ordered for more workforce and more programs to attend? I just want to know
No, sir.
Okay.
No, I'm not ordering more workforce. I'm not ordering more programs. I'm extending your probation because you haven't been able to get this done. And you haven't made your payments. So I'm extending your probation for those purposes. You're going to pay $100 today. What is that, sir?
I want to ask humbly and request if you could give me a less probational period, because that a recovery program and my recovery coach going outpatient is inpatient was very expensive. I don't have health insurance. That cost me upwards of 15 grand. And then, Francis Edward Bartel was almost equivalent. It's just.
Mr. Quintanilla, I am not ordering any more programs or anything of that nature. What I'm doing is I'm extending your probation 6 months because you've been on probation for over 10 months so far, and you haven't yet completed it.
I understand.
I said, and you also are continuing to violate the law and drive, and you haven't made a payment in 15 months. So instead of sending you to jail today, I'm extending your probation. If you don't want your probation extended, you can certainly report to jail.
I'm okay with the probational period. I just, was requested for at least 3 months. I can pay the balance off, honestly, by the next couple weeks. That's where I'm at now financially. And again, my apologies for the delay.
Okay, whoever's there in the room with you must not understand instructions because they continue to talk.
That's somebody who has their microphone unmuted, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
That's somebody who has their microphone unmuted. There wasn't nobody here that's in my room right now.
I'm extending your probation 6 months, $100 today. And we will.
Your Honor, I have a public defender? Am I paying that fee as well?
I'm sorry?
When there's a public defender representing me, do I pay that fee as well? Is there a fee for that? Representation.
I don't believe that there was not any fee charge for an attorney, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Curious to know.
We're adjourning the jail review to February.
Hallmark. This guy.
Sorry, what's that?
Oh, no. I was making a comment to somebody else. Sorry.
Well, who else are you making a comment to, sir?
I have the door open right here. Room service just gave me toilet paper. They're putting it right there in front of the desk.
Room service brought you toilet paper.
Yes, I have my door unlocked currently.
Room service doesn't deliver toilet paper, but in any event, you were set to be, please stop interrupting the record. You were set to be on probation December 29th because you were sentenced in this matter in September. And originally I said February, September of 22. So I'm extending your probation 6 months. We're adjourning the jail review to February. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Hey, Your Honor.